Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Snapchat profile picture. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Snapchat is a popular social media platform that allows users to share photos and videos with friends and followers. One of the key features of Snapchat is the ability to change your profile picture, which can help you personalize your account and make it stand out. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to your profile but tap on the up left corner here. Now you can just tap on my public profile here. You can tap on pencil icon here. As you can see, I have no picture, profile picture in my Snapchat. You can just tap on here. Here's the profile. You can just preview. I don't have profile picture in here. You can just tap on the camera icon in here. You can choose from your camera roll, or you can just, maybe for the example, I will choose photo. I will choose this photo. Now you can tap on Save Change. So here's your new profile picture on your Snapchat. So simple, right? So that is how to change profile picture on your Snapchat account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.